Hi everybody, we are doing the black workout today because it is Wednesday, so this will be due at midnight tonight. So I'll take you guys through it. It's going to be a little bit of a review, and then we'll get you guys working out with some resistance stuff. So you guys can use your backpack. You can use dumbbells if you have them. You can use milk jugs, whatever you guys want. It's going to help us get into a little bit higher heart rate zone. So unfortunately, we will not be doing this exercise, but today we're focusing on feeling green and orange. So like we talked about last week with the heart rate zones, green's the middle zone and the orange is right above it. So that is how you guys can base the intensity of today's workout. You're going to complete today's resistance workout and then upload a 30-second video reflection as your assignment today. So remember, these are our orange and green zones. So 70 to 90% of your max heart rate is where we are trying to be at today. Okay, so we're going to go from light muscular strain to some muscle fatigue and moderate sweating. That is our goal for today. So for today's workout, you're going to need something heavy, whether it's, like I said, backpack, dumbbells, really anything. That's the heavier it is, the harder it will be for you. So the easier it will be to get into that heart rate zone. So you're going to do 5 rounds of 10 reps of all of the exercises below. So the first exercise is single leg Bulgarian split squat. And what that means is you just put your foot elevated on a couch or a chair. You're going to have your right foot forward. You're going to do 10 reps. Then you're going to switch legs, have your left leg forward. Then 10 push-ups. So if you can't do 10 with weight on, do them on your knees. Plank shoulder taps. Again, if you can't keep that core straight, you can go on your knees there. Front raises, trying not to swing all the way up, but just use those arms. And then Russian twists. If you need it to be a little bit easier, you can set those feet on the ground. Okay, so you're going to go through all of those, and then you're going to go through it 5 times. After you're done, like I said, upload a video reflection, 30 seconds, say your name, 5 reps of your favorite exercise, and 5 reps of your least favorite exercise. Let me know if you guys have questions. Get this turned in today. Have fun.